Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have Samsung Galaxy F15 and I want to show you how fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but your game or application as Mobile Legends games are not visible on your Google Play Store as in my situation. When you search your game or application but you don't have it there, you must go back to the main menu, tap on your photo on the right corner and there, Settings. Now we tap on Family and Parental Control. As you can see, now we have page 3. To visible game or application as Mobile Legends we need more than page 3. To change it, we press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control. And there we can change it by tap on page 16 maybe. And to confirm it, we press understood and save. Or we can also turn off all our parental control by switch off. And we can go back and try search Mobile Legends game again. And now we can install it. Thanks for watching, bye!